What in the world? No way. Wow, my mind is blown right now. What in the world is a segment midweek as I was in the morning just going through my process of the thought of behind what the Lord has revealed. Space actually means more room for me to work, Fabio. So if there's space, that means it gives him more. Void actually means emptiness. And it just means there's a space for him to fill. Wow. And here's the amazing thing that really got me hooked. He took it a step further. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Think about this. Earth was called a wasteland. It wasn't just void. It wasn't just covered in darkness, which means it's void of light. It was called a wasteland. It speaks about a space that's untransformable. It's toxic. It was void, but yet, he was there. Wow. And Isaiah 43, 18, verse 20, I'm going to emphasize on verse 20, rivers in the dry wasteland. Can you imagine that? It's not just a wasteland, but the Lord will provide a river. How is that possible? A wasteland is toxic. It will bleed into your river, but yet when God shows up in our wasteland, the wasteland does not determine how sovereign he is. Isaiah 40, verse 3. Let me put my iPad down. It says this, highway in a wasteland. What does that mean? Strategically, God is placing movement in your wastelands. God is placing, He's providing a highway for things to move back and forth, to take it from one point to your wasteland. He's going to start transporting things that can fill our void, things that can fill the emptiness, because he loves filling empty spaces. When he created the air, he didn't leave the air empty. He said, let there be birds in the sky. So God is in the business of filling empty spaces.